Biosecurity measures play a pivotal role in minimizing the risk of introducing and spreading infectious agents. Within external and especially internal biosecurity, cleaning and disinfection procedures hold significant importance. The present study aims to assess the implementation of C&D procedures on pig farms in Europe and identify any potential gaps. Biocheck.ugent is a risk-based biosecurity scoring system developed by the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine at Ghent University, Belgium. This standardized tool is based on scientific research, which allows for the quantitative assessment of the implementation of biosecurity measures on farms, and thereby facilitates comparative analysis between different farms, regions, or countries. Biocheck.ugent data from 14,236 pig farms in 10 European countries collected between 2019 and 2022 were considered, and parameters from the questionnaire that concern C&D measures were selected. For the present study, we selected questions relevant to C&D measures for external and internal pig farm biosecurity. The score for the C&D subcategory is determined by assessing various internal and external parameters. Over the 4-year period, a general improvement in C&D measures can be seen, especially in Belgium, Finland, Italy, and Spain. Other countries, such as Ireland and Poland, also demonstrated an increase in C&D scores over several years. Out of the targeted 14,236 farms, 74% of the respondents reported the presence of a hygiene lock and use of it by visitors. This use was especially high in the Netherlands and Germany. For 55% of the farms, the disinfection baths or boot washers were present at the entrance of the farm, with better implementation in Belgium, Finland, and Poland. The application of specific measures for the proper introduction of material was reported in only 22% of the farms. It was observed that the protocol for the C&D of equipment after use was present in almost half of the farms. At the same time, a smaller percentage of farms reported the presence of disinfection baths and/or boot washers, or the practice of changing boots between compartments or units, and even fewer farms had hand washing stations and/or hand disinfection equipment between compartments or units. More than half of farms reported following proper C&D procedures, primarily observed on Italian, Belgian, and Polish farms. The majority of farms reported having enough time for drying and adjusting the temperature before pigs entered the stables. However, the effectiveness of all C&D practices was only validated by 1% of the farms. The assessment of C&D measures on conventional indoor pig farms reveals both areas of progress and scope for improvement. While some farms demonstrate commendable commitment to hygiene standards, there is a need for enhanced practices in areas such as hand and boot cleaning between compartments or units, the verification of the effectiveness, and the implementation of C&D measures across all compartments and units. Sharing best practices and promoting knowledge exchange among countries can contribute to elevating biosecurity standards industry-wide. By addressing these key findings and implementing targeted interventions, farmers can strengthen biosecurity measures, safeguard animal health, and mitigate the risk of disease transmission.